Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DIGAF. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and biggest volume this chart has had for a while, including a whole lot of volume during that final 30 minutes right there. And then you can see the price reacted very nicely with it. So I'm not sure you could really draw up a stronger 30-minute close. So we'll see if that can get continuation into tomorrow or not. But let's first start by opening up with some levels of support. First area of support going to be down here at the 55-cent mark. I realize that's quite a bit, far away, but that's kind of the catch-22 of this monster move right here. Just a basic economic principle. There's always trade-offs, and the trade-off here with a big move upwards is it does tend to create a pretty significant space of support. Now, I'm not saying if the price pulls back, then it's automatically headed down to 55 cents in a matter of 10 minutes. I'm just saying, technically speaking, because of the big price movement up, that is why that initial level of support's pretty far below. Next level of support after that, right there at 48 cents. So 55 cents, 48 cents, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, that is where the purple line here comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher and higher. So if you're somebody that's just sitting there caring about more so the bigger picture of things, and you just want a broad way to gauge the strength or lack thereof of the current price movement, then just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above it, as the purple line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, full health, no doubt about it. Again, if the price can stay up above 48, 55 cents, that would be preferable, but from the grand scope of things, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the overall trend is fully in the bulls' favor. As far as levels of resistance, I'm not even going to touch on those because, in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance, not really a top priority right now. Top priority is just simply going through healthy consolidations and building higher bases, because as long as higher bases are being built over time, the overall chart will take care of itself, which includes breaking areas of resistance. So there's no doubt about it. Powerful move today. The week is young, still 4 days left, so we'll see if the bulls can continue to build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.